Hi everyone, I'm Mateo, and welcome to my channel. What if I told you that one app on your phone could be making you less happy, less confident, and more anxious every single day? Stay until the end, because the final point explains why millions of people compare themselves to a life that doesn't even exist. Let's get started. Social media isn't real life, it's a highlight reel. People usually post their best moments, biggest achievements, expensive vacations, perfect relationships, and edited photos. What you don't see are the failures, stress, loneliness, arguments, or the hundreds of ordinary moments in between. But your brain forgets that. The more you scroll, the more you start comparing your real life to someone else's carefully edited life. And that's where the problem begins. You start feeling like you're behind, like you're not successful enough, attractive enough, or happy enough. Another problem is that social media is designed to keep your attention. Every notification, short video, and endless scroll gives your brain a small dopamine hit, making it harder to focus on real-life goals that require patience and effort. Over time, this can reduce your attention span, increase stress, and make simple daily tasks feel boring compared to the constant stimulation on your screen. Does that mean you should delete social media forever? Not necessarily. Social media is a tool. It can teach you new skills, help you build a business, and connect you with amazing people. But if you let it control your time, your emotions, and your self-worth, it becomes a trap. So instead of asking, how much time did I spend on social media today? Ask yourself, did social media improve my life today, or did it just steal another hour from me? The moment you start using social media intentionally, instead of letting it use you, you take back control of your life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and join me for more interesting videos. See you next time.